So the other day, I was out diving and I found my friend Octavio. That's Octavio's son, by the way. I made a little tiku with my hands and he came right out of his cave and into my hand. He started snuggling with me right away. It was so cute. My friend Brittany wanted to take a video of us.
Hey, what does meow even mean?
It means pat. That's what the hell it means. It means skibbity pat. That's what meow means. Playboy, wake up.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Oh my God. That was the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my God, Pam.
Hey, look, he gone.
Ding dong.
You're not gonna believe this. Hey, baby. Hey. Where's Mama? Where's your mama? Hey. Hey.
Oh my God. Oh my God. He on X Games, man.